All right, here's the Dowl Jig Kit from Milescraft. Bought on Amazon. Just a quick unboxing of it. It's got your drill bits. Actually has wood glue in it, which is probably garbage. I don't know that the case is all that great if you're gonna be taking it in and out. It's just a plastic jig. I've been using a biscuit joiner, but it's a cheap one as well, and I wasn't too thrilled with the results, so. Comes with a few different sizes of dowels. Let's see here, what is it? It's got the collars, little Allen wrench for that. Comes with the 3 different sizes of dowels, drill bits, and the tenoning, I guess, location pins. And owner's manual. So I won't go into how to use it yet. I'll probably make another video on that. But that's the basics, in case you want to check it out. Looks like it should be all right. A couple things to note after the first use is there's no vertical mark here to be able to line up your marks that you have after it. I'm going to try an edge join, a mark there, but there's no reference mark on the jig. What I found as a workaround, or maybe this is what they intended, there's a mark based on the outside of the jig for, say, a 1/4 inch hole, and that works. The other thing that I noticed was the box is a little, you pretty much have to disassemble the whole thing to put it back. It doesn't fit back in there, so if you're using it a lot, it's kind of a downside to that case. You may just find a better use, but other than that, it actually works all right for as cheap as it is.